Approximately 10% of the worldwide population of 7.8 billion people are affected by chronic kidney disease. People in developing countries are particularly impacted due to the lack of affordable dialysis machines, which is the main treatment option. Hemodialysis involves taking the blood from the body and applying a filtration process to alter the concentration levels of various solutes, replacing the role that is normally performed by the kidneys. This project aims to design an innovative, adaptable, user-friendly, and cost-effective hemodialysis machine for use in developing countries based on sustainable design principles. While typical commercially available hemodialysis machines cost upward of $5,000, the presented prototype costs under $500 to manufacture. The design incorporates a modular setup to ensure that individual subcomponents can be fixed or replaced as needed. Now, while this project focuses on sub-Saharan Africa, aspects of the final design should work to reduce healthcare inequalities around the world, while focusing on patient safety.
Hi everyone and welcome to MedMemo. MedMemo is a physician-nurse hospital communication system, or simply put, it's a web application where nurses and doctors can send messages to one another. Of course, it is also much more than this. Physicians and nurses will be able to keep track of all their patients by logging into their accounts and referring to the patient list table. Nurses will be able to fill out SBAR notes at the patient's bedside, and both nurses and doctors will be able to view old SBAR notes. The notification system allows for nurses and doctors to send messages back and forth to one another, so they will never miss an important call ever again, and it will let the messenger know when their messages have been read. The application is safe and secure as it is SSL certified, includes user authorization and authentication, and your data is encrypted. Because the web application is fully responsive, you can perform your tasks on any smart device. The application is easy to navigate through, and it's easy on the eyes. With plenty of great reviews coming in from medical professionals from around the province, we hope you will join us. So join us by joining MedMemo today.
Welcome everyone, my name is Eric and on behalf of Team T, I will be introducing you all to our project, Carepilot. Healthcare environments suffer from miscommunication issues at many different levels. The idea for Carepilot came about as we saw that hospitals lacked a central point of contact regarding patient to family communication. Our team wanted to focus on improving communication between patient and families by putting them at ease knowing that their loved ones are smoothly progressing through a medical procedure. Carepilot will help patients find nearby medical facilities and explore the offered medical services. Carepilot provides a real-time guide that helps patients track their progress when receiving a medical service, which they can then share their status and progress with their loved ones safely and securely. For our final release, we're looking to polish up existing core features to better our user experience. We're also focusing on strengthening our data ownership, privacy, and compliance to meet with digital information and privacy laws in preparation for App Store release on both Android and iOS.
Hello everyone, we are Team W and our project is an instrumented knee sleeve. It's a knee sleeve with integrated sensing capabilities specifically designed to be able to collect data on health metrics such as the internal knee angle, knee twist, joint temperature, and step count of the user over extended periods of time. Metrics such as these would allow healthcare providers like physiotherapists and doctors to tailor and adjust their treatment plans based on the numbers they are observing. While more work needs to be done, initial testing shows promising results in terms of accuracy and repeatability over short time frames. There is good agreement between the true angle and the measured angle of the knee, as seen here. The achievable knee angle is one of the primary indicators of knee health and mobility, and knowing how it changes with respect to time is invaluable in assessing whether or not a patient is progressing in their recovery. Ultimately, our aim with this project was to design a product which is user-friendly, low maintenance, and affordable, thereby increasing accessibility to good and effective healthcare for all. Thank you.
Hello, we are Team AF. For our capstone, we proposed a project close to our hearts, a biomedical engineering product that would actualize the good health and well-being sustainability development goal. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted challenges in getting immediate access to ventilators or resuscitators, especially for patients experiencing hypoxia, needing to be transported between medical facilities. We learned from our stakeholders, doctors in Gujarat, India, that in such scenarios, the patient is manually ventilated using a BVM by ambulance personnel. These medical personnel can often be understaffed and overworked. Pumping a BVM for journeys of up to an hour pulls them away from other aspects of critical patient care and can increase human error. Automating this manual process would alleviate medical personnel of this work. We present to you a low-cost, lightweight, and robust automatic BVM, a solution that we hope and believe could be modified and scaled for the global community.